Alright, so, this is what we've been working on. We just gotta go through this, what? Fuck. 43 years later, after we started stripping this, we have stairs. Or, that. There were like 832 million layers of absolute BS on it. I don't know why, but, well, I do. If it looks crappy, paint over it, but, let's clear this piece of trim that goes there. Gotta clean that off. But that's later. And then, it's taking some time. But, it's, if you want to spend a whole decade of your life cleaning anything, or 80 years, grandkids will grow up in the meantime. Why don't you strip paint from an old house?